miss this coffee shop so much. Like the ones we have at home just don't hit the same. Like I swear, I always go to Berlin to try to recreate this, and this is exactly what I'm looking for, is a coffee shop like this that's just like, but it's also kind of cold today, guys. Like, okay, cold, I think it's 22 right now, but usually at this time it would be like 30 or like 28. So I'm getting goosebumps, y'all. We are now done at the coffee shop after like 2 hours. It was just so nice to be here, and I think it might be our last time, so I had to say goodbye. This is the outfit lounge. We're looking like an absolute slut, and there's the Notre Dame. So guys, we were talking about the fact that today was a bit of a flop. Not a bad flop, like we still had a lot of fun, but it was so much stuff we wanted to do, so I think I might include this vlog into Thursday's vlog, because this isn't even long enough. We were supposed to go to the library, like the famous library that was closed. Then we wanted to go to a bookstore, and there was like 50 people. And then we wanted to go to the Dior museum, but again, booked out. So, but tomorrow I'm going, so that's exciting, to the library, not the museum. And now we're going to the park, and then we're going on a boat trip, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Another day for the fatties. We got 3 tomato sauces, 2 mayos, apples, juice box, Coke Zero, and a kids menu. Guys, this is actually where I'm staying. I'm actually staying in this place right here. It's super cute, like really affordable as well. Like it's honestly just a dream. We are now on the way to the boat. Very excited. But we're actually supposed to be there in like 10 minutes, and it's like a 15-minute walk. So I guess we'll see if I make it. Yeah, we did, surprise, we did not make the 7:31, but we're gonna do the 8 hopefully. I have no idea how like long these lines are, because we've never been on one of these, but super excited. There's hope. We are finally getting on this damn boat. It's been like a half an hour, but I'm so excited. hunt for crepes, which you think would be like in the you know wee district, but there's none. I don't know if it's a thing more like in the winter, but they're so good. Y'all finally found one. This is the last time I'm going to see Paris for probably a while, so bye Paris, I love you. I feel low-key emotional, guys. This is probably the best place I've ever been to in my whole fucking life, so bye.